is a part of this branch, and this is part of this branch. This is part of this branch, and this is part of this branch, and this is part of this branch. This and this both are sub branch of this branch. This is sub branch of this branch, and this both are sub branch of this branch. And F is a sub branch of E. Going forward, graphs. Graphs are collection of nodes and connecting edges between nodes. A tree can be viewed as a restricted graph. Graphs have many types. There are undirected, directed, mixed, multigraph, simple graph, null graph, weighted graph. We will learn about it in the next session. This is a representation of a graph. In this, 1 is connected with 2 and 5, 3 is connected 3 and 4, here 3 is also connected with 6, 2 is connected with 6. This is a representation of